Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to ease in and out the transitions that you add to your videos in DaVinci Resolve. So usually when we add a transition, so let's say push, and then we play it forward, you're going to notice that it's very linear in its speed. The speed is uniform throughout the whole transition and it looks a little boring. So we're going to want to try adding some speed ramps to this. And what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and click on the transition, making sure it's highlighted. And then we're going to go to the keyframes tab. So here I'm already in the curve editor view. If you don't see it, just go ahead and click this button at the top left, the keyframes curves button, and you should be able to see the transition curve. If you don't, it might be because it's not enabled here on the left side. Go ahead and click on the enable curve button and you should be able to see this. So now we're just going to add two more keyframe points into the curve. So I'm doing this by clicking on this tool at the top here that says add keyframes, and I'm going to start moving them around a bit. So I want to have a nice S-shaped curve, just like so. And now you're going to want to make sure that everything is highlighted. Go ahead and hit Control A on your keyboard, right click, and then click the ease in and out button. So it's this one right here. So what that does is it adds some smoothness to the graph, and it might look a little wonky at first. That's very easily fixed. Just go ahead and move these handlebars right here. So once that's done, you should have this nice looking S-shaped curve. You can mess around with it a bit more to really fine tune the speed, but anything with this general shape should look really good. So now if we go ahead and play the video forward, this is what it looks like.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. You see, my team and I publish easy to use step-by-step editing tutorials to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding this video useful and would like to learn more, I would really appreciate if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button to show some support, give this video a like, and of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release videos coming out every single day. Now, let's continue.
As you can see, the change is very, very drastic. It's a lot smoother and a lot more engaging. So that's pretty much it for this video. It's really quick and really easy. Go ahead and experiment with some other transitions and see what looks. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.